Hey, fourth grade, Google Classroom, Avant class. I have some great news. Nearpod has a time to climb that you can do at home. And the way it works is you type in the code, and then you play the game. You pick your character, play the game. You answer 6 questions. And then whoever else gets online and plays the game, they will see your character and where you ended up. The goal is to beat first place. I've already played twice. I played once as Michael Avant and I missed 1 question. And I used another character called Hound Dog and they missed 2 or 3. So that is your goal, is to beat me and Hound Dog. Please keep your names as clean as possible. I would love to see some of your old nicknames because probably make me laugh now, but it's got to be clean. So let me review what's going to be on the activity. I'm going to start putting out some videos. We'll use this time to climb to review work. It'll be a fun way to review some of the stuff we learned. One thing that I probably didn't stick in your head very well is geometry. So I'll probably be doing some geometry time to climbs. This one is going to be on lines, endpoints, line segments, and rays. And it's going to be written. There's not going to be any pictures. So remember our key vocabulary words when you're doing this. First of all, this is a point in space. I-N. In space, okay? Next, after that, we had a line which has an arrow on either side. A line also has endpoints, but the line keeps going past the endpoints. And we label a line with 2 letters or 2 endpoints, and it goes in both directions. Alright, next we had a line segment. Oh, let me label this a line. Next we had a line segment. Okay, it is also defined by 2 points, but there are no arrows. Let me get rid of those. It ends at 2 points. Ends at 2 points. And then after that we had something called a ray, which ends at 1 point and goes on in the other direction. It can also be labeled with 2 points. We can call them A and B. Call this one A and B. So this is a ray. It goes in one direction and ends at the other. Alright? Okay, so remember these things. All of these they can be defined by endpoints, but the ray and the line can go in a direction. So the ray goes in one direction, the line goes in 2 directions, the line segment ends at either side. There will be 6 questions, I think, on this time to climb. I didn't make it up. This was made up by Nearpod. Remember your key vocabularies, and I'm going to be making some new ones in geometry for you to help you out. So this is a little bit of a break from that Module 5 hard fraction work. I think you'll have fun with this, and I'm going to keep putting up some new time to climbs. If you look on the screen somewhere, you'll be able to see the code. So you go to nearpod.com. Go to student and type in your code and you're good to go. Enjoy. Bye.